Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start up this 12-lock Chevy. If you've seen the video like 3 weeks back, we're going to put this motor in that S10 that I bought. This might hurt. I make this kind of like a community race car. So we got this thing out. It is on the stand still. I've always wanted to start a motor on the stand anyway. Come on, baby. So we got some gas. We got a pump. We've got the distributor put on there. We're going to run some wires. We're going to put these headers on backwards because I think it'll be funny.
Whoa, shot the fuck out.
And we're going to get this thing running. We do have the oil pressure gauge when it was actually in that car. So we're going to hook that up just to make sure everything's good. We're going to take the belts off of the power steering pump and the water pump so then the power steering pump doesn't spray everywhere. Are you familiar with that?
Nope.
We got a leak. Dude, you're down with a month or what? So you think
You're an idiot.
that looks a hell of a lot better than what it did before, I'll tell you that.
That don't. Hey,
slide that gasket in there,
the
brother.
goes between the manifold and the head.
Oh.
If you didn't know.
Really?
Yeah.
This isn't the intake gasket?
Well, it can be.
Oh.
With enough force.
We missed one important piece. We don't have a starter.
You got a rope when you full start it.
Well, without a starter, slap that on there.
What next, Blake?
Get battery for it.
All right, good talk.
All right, headers are tightened down. Spark plug wires are in. We got our starters on. That's probably gonna grind quite a bit. We got this fancy wire we're gonna hook up to the battery to fire this thing over. We're just trying to get the fuel lines to the carburetor from that tank right there. And then I think this thing will be ready to start up, right?
Tell you what's wrong with it.
What's wrong with it? All right, so run through what we got going on here. What are you operating? No.
Signal for the starter.
Okay, and Tour, you got the
power holder, so we
not doing a very good job, Tour. All right, power holder.
right next to the gas can.
All right, right next to the gas can, yeah.
Hey, your battery's dead.
Our, turns out when you ask if the battery is dead, it's actually dead. All right, do it. Use some gas. Oh. Oh, pressure.
Hey,
Need some more timing.
All right, try it again.
Ain't no spot.
I got no spark.
Kind of helps your distributor's got power to it.
We even got gas in it.
We even got gas. All right. Power helps. Woo. All right, round what? 4? 67. 67. I gave her a couple big old pumps. Oh! What's happening? Ready? Get. Hey, hold on.
What? Why does it sound like shit?
Maybe we need some more timing, buddy.
There we go.
Well, this time, it's got plenty of gas in it. Oh! One more. Too much timing?
Nope. Still not enough. There we go.
All
right.
Crank it. So you go.
I'd say that worked pretty good. And it sounds just as good as I remember. What do you think?
No.
All right, guys. That'll be the end of this week's video. So come back next week to see what I tear up. I'll see you later, guys.